If you want to do this Blythe doll trend on TikTok, let's learn how you can do this. So to do this trend, you just need Chat GPT. If you don't have this application, then you can easily download from Play or App Store. Now, after opening the app, add the photo from gallery on which you want to apply the effect, and after that, just type the prompt. Make this picture into Blythe doll and generate. Now it will take around 3 to 4 minutes to generate the image, so don't worry and wait until it generates the photo. So here is the image. You can see how well it generates the photo in comparison to the original photo. Now just save the photo from here, and now you are ready to share.